Hello traders, today is Monday. We're going to focus on manipulation today at Daytradetowin using the roadmap software. I have the roadmap software here with these shaded areas. I'm going to trade them. I'm going to show you exactly how they work. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So the market is landing inside of these roadmap zones. This is proprietary software from Daytradetowin, and there are a lot of funded traders using this software. The idea and the goal behind using the software, the roadmap, is to know whether or not we should be taking a trade. So you can see that the market is going from zone to zone. These zones are actually plotted in advance, so you know where you should or should not be trading. So you can see earlier there was a roadmap long at 51.02 quarter, and not once but twice but three times now it is trying to surpass this zone. This is a perfect opportunity. You've heard the term double bottoms and double tops, so this is really what we're seeing here. It's about 10:30 and the market's open for about an hour New York time. So this is a great long trade. For those of you who have the software, same exact signals, same opportunities. You can see it in our live trading room. We have a live trading room for our members. This is a long trade with the opportunity to head up towards the next zone where it says zone A up, right up there in that top part of the chart. So this is a long trade with the intention of it moving much higher. So that was the trade that I took earlier. There was another roadmap long, and you can see before that, just as the market opens, which sometimes is a little tricky to trade right as the market opens, but you could see it also hit the roadmap zone way there on top, and it reversed. So that was also a good opportunity if you wanted to trade the open. Now this is a trade that landed in the zone, reversed, and it went up, and we took a long trade. Let's take a look now at the opposite, where the market is landing in a zone to the upside and how we trade that to be sellers. All right, so here we are about an hour, maybe an hour and a half later. You can see that the market slowly made its climb up to the zone A. Now the idea is exactly the same. So what you're seeing here is exactly what we teach during the classes, where the price lands in the zone, and now we're looking for either one of two things to happen. Either it goes through the zone and we can take a long trade as a continuation above 51.0150, or if the market lands in the zone, goes sideways, and then reverses, that is the counter trend trade. So most traders see the market go up, the moving averages cross, you enter long, and then it just reverses for no reason. What the roadmap is intended to do is to tell you whether or not going long is a good idea, or at least wait until it surpasses the zone. Now we have a signal that says go short, roadmap short, 1598.75. This is a 1 minute chart, so each candle is referencing 1 minute. So because there's a signal, I want to go short 59.0875, or better if I'm able to get a better price, fantastic. If you go in at market, remember you may have slippage, and the goal now is to see a counter trend trade. The zone existed. I was waiting for the price to land in the zone. It landed in the zone, it stopped, it's reversing, the signal hit, and now I'm short. Typically where we have our stops is on the opposite side of the zone. You could even use what's called a pivotal stop, something we teach as well, which is a couple of ticks above the highest high or pivot of this whole situation that you're seeing. So currently I'm short, it gave a signal, and now we're going to wait to see 50.97 quarter as our goal for profit taking. Now whether you trade one contract, whether you trade the micro contracts, it works exactly the same way. The rules are the same. The one thing is not to allow the trade to take an hour. This should be something that happens sooner rather than later. So if you're in a trade for about an hour, it's still at the same price you entered at, maybe a small loss or a small win, I think it's a good idea to exit the trade. I want to see more of an immediate move. I entered for a reason. Let's see an immediate result in our favor. And if not, close the position. We have a stop, and we also have a few other ways to get out of the trade. Time-based stop, a pivotal stop. So these are things that we teach. Now, if you're interested in the roadmap, as well as the trade scalper, the Atlas line, the at the open, we have a package called the Accelerated Mentorship class. The Accelerated Mentorship package includes all our courses and software with the autopilot trading software at a reduced price. So if you're interested in getting the entire package, I highly recommend the Accelerated Mentorship package because you get lifetime licenses at a reduced discounted price. Now, if you're a new trader, it's important to start off in Sim, attend the live classes that we have Monday through Friday, ask questions, get involved, really understand the benefits of using this software. You can start off in Sim, practice, and then go to micro contracts, and then go to a regular E-mini S&P. So the goal is for you to be successful. Use the software to your advantage. You don't have to trade on day one with 2 or 3 contracts. Attend the live classes, and then we can start off in the right direction. The goal right now is only to make about 6 to 8 ticks. That is what the market can afford us, and so that's what we want. We want to take it slow. We want to get our profit as quickly as possible. We have a stop in case it doesn't work out. We can even trail a stop if the market is strong, that we can make a little bit more as it moves in your favor. But for right now, I have a hard target and a hard stop, and I also have a type of time-based element that if it doesn't work, I close the position. So this is really important for the traders. Let me add the actual entries and exits through the data series, so you can plot on the chart where the entries and exits are, and you can see exactly where you entered and where you exited. If you have any questions, visit Daytradetowin.com. Remember, we still have time for the promotion, the February promotion that we're having, so save yourself some money, join up, and I'll see everyone at the next video. Great short trade here using the roadmap. Until next time, good trading.